Hello, my name is Willette Streets. This is week 3 lab. I attend Azusa Pacific University, and this is my chicken dissection. First, I would take my chicken wing and start to peel away the skin and the fascia using my dissecting tools. So we can find the synovial structures or joints of the chicken wing. So I'm going to start here with my scalpel and start to peel away some of the skin here. And I'm trying to do it carefully because I don't want to cut up any of the part that we're looking to see. Okay, so now I'm gonna grab some little tweezers here to kind of hold it a little bit so I can get the skin part off. Trying carefully not to cut any important parts off the chicken wing. So right now I'm just cutting the skin, and it's a little tough to try to cut it. Okay, let's see here. You can see a little piece of the vein here. Okay, try to move this to the side here. I'm trying to get up under it so we can see the joints of the chicken wing. Trying carefully not to cut my finger while I'm doing this. Okay, let's see. Okay, so I'm finally getting up under the skin here. The skin seems to be a little tough here, and you can kind of see the thickness of the skin, or you can really hear it while I'm cutting how thick the skin is on this chicken. Okay, let's cut a little bit of this back. So like I said, I'm just cutting the skin right now. Cutting the skin of the chicken so you can see the joints. And cutting away some of the fascia you can see also. The structures of the synovial joint is the most complex type of joint and also the most common joint in the body. And what we're looking for is the hinge joint. Okay. I think we might be almost there. This is some of the fascia that I'm cutting now. Okay. So I just cut here around the elbow a little bit. And you can start to see some of the joint. You can start to see some of the joint. I'm going to try to cut away this little piece here. in between, the skin in between here. So that way we can really see the joint and how it flexes. So I'm going to cut some of this skin here out from over here. Okay. And see when I hold the chicken wing up, can you see here? And see how it flexes? It doesn't overextend. That's the hinge joint. The hinge joint is right here. It doesn't overextend when I flex it back and forth. And then I'm just going to cut a little area around the side of the elbow of the chicken here. Okay. Trying to carefully not cut my finger while I'm doing this. Okay. So you can see here the different muscles and tendon in the chicken wing, and you can see how it moves back and forth. And what we're looking for here is the hinge joint. And how do we know that we have what we're looking for? We know that we have what we're looking for when we see the joints of the chicken. When we see the hinge joints. And the hinge joints are right here. Right here are the hinge joints. So that's how we know we found what we're looking for. I'm just going to cut a little bit more away here. And take these little pieces away. And this is the dissection of my chicken wing for week 3 lab. Okay. I'm going to take my gloves off here.